Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today, the YEARFRAC function. It returns the fraction of a year between two dates. Perfect for calculating age, percent of year elapsed, months between dates, and time-based labels. 4 real examples coming up. First up, the basic syntax. We want to know how much of 2024 had passed by the end of the year for Charizard, captured on January 15th. Type equals YEARFRAC, open paren L2 for the start date, comma, date, open paren, 2024, comma, 12, 31, close paren, hit enter. YEARFRAC returns 0.96, meaning 96% of the year is in this window. Default basis is US 30 by 360. Now between two real dates. We want the years between Charizard's January 15th capture and Camerup's June 14th capture. Type equals YEARFRAC, open paren, L2, comma, L15, close paren, hit enter. YEARFRAC returns 0.41, about 5 months expressed as a fraction of a year. Useful for tenure calculations, age in years, anything where you need a decimal year value. Now we convert the fraction into months. Multiply YEARFRAC by 12 and wrap it in round for clean output. Type equals round, open paren, YEARFRAC, open paren, L2, comma, date, open paren, 2024, comma, 12, 31, close paren, times 12, comma, 1 for 1 decimal place, close paren, hit enter. The 0.96 fraction times 12 gives 11.52, and round trims it to 11.5. So Charizard has been captured for about 11.5 months. Last one, YEARFRAC inside if for a readable label. We want to call a capture older if more than half a year has passed since the capture date, otherwise recent. Type equals if, open paren, YEARFRAC, open paren, L2, comma, date, open paren, 2024, comma, 12, comma, 31, close paren, greater than 0.5, comma, quote, older capture, quote, comma, quote, recent capture, quote, close paren, hit enter. 0.96 beats 0.5, so if returns older capture. So that's YEARFRAC, one function that returns the fraction of a year between two dates. Default behavior uses the US 30 by 360 day count convention, but you can pass an optional basis argument for actual day counts, actual over 365, or European 30 by 360. Multiply by 12 for months, wrap an int for whole years like age calculations, or pair with if for readable labels. Anywhere you need to express time as a decimal year, YEARFRAC is the function. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your YEARFRAC formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.